Okay, so this is Eye of the Tiger by the band Survivor. So the way this one works, it's pretty easy. There's basically four chords. Let me give you a better angle here. There's four chords, right? And the first chord is going to be C3, which is, this is my C3 right here. Then we're going to do D sharp 3. Okay, D sharp's one past D, remember? And then G3. So we're going to play those three together. Okay? That's the, rising up. And then the second chord, we're going to go down to G. Now, this isn't marked, but that's a G because it's before A. We're going to do G sharp, though. Okay, so that's here. Then C3. And let's see, what's the next one? D sharp 3. So two black keys, G sharp and D sharp, those two. Okay, but we're also going to put the C with that. Okay, then the third chord is A sharp 2, which is here, D3, and F3. So we're going to do, and then back to the first chord. So just like abracadabra, you might have learned that, or maybe not, but that first chord and the fourth chord are the same. So we're going to go back to C3, D sharp 3, and G3. Okay, so it's something like, rising up. We go to the second chord. Out from the streets, right? Or out in the streets. Then we're going to go to the third chord, which is A sharp 2. We're going to do A sharp 2, D3, and F3. Let's see. Did my time, right? And we go back to the C, D sharp 3, G4. Took my chances, right? So something like this. Okay, it's that third chord that's getting me. So one more time. C3 plus D sharp 3 and G3. Rising up, right? Then we go to the second chord, which is G sharp 2. G sharp 2, C3, D sharp 4. Out in the streets, that's the out in the streets chord. Okay, then we're going to go to A sharp 2, D3, F3. Did my time, and then back to the first chord for took my chances. Okay, I would like you to practice those chords, those four chords. It's actually three chords, but your number one chord and your number four chord are both the same. Okay, practice that. That is the verse of Eye of the Tiger.